Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motor Match Chester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this used vehicle. This is the Mini Hatch Cooper Sport. It's a 2022 model and it comes with just 8,000 miles on the clock from one previous owner. As the vehicle is so new, it doesn't have a MOT due until February of 2025, which is always fantastic news, and it comes finished in the chilly red paintwork. Taking a look at some of your exterior features, on the front you'll find your LED headlights with the black bezel detailing, which you'll notice throughout the vehicle. It does also come with a 17-inch John Cooper Works track spoke alloy wheels, and again plenty of John Cooper Works styling around. On the rear you'll find your parking sensors, which are fantastic in helping manoeuvre the vehicle. Into the boot you've got an excellent amount of space for a smaller vehicle, with a nice deep space there to put in any taller items. In the rear seating you'll find your cloth and suede upholstery with two super spacious seats for your rear passengers and ISOFIX mounting points along the bottom there to strap car seats in safely. Making our way into the front, on the door card you'll find the electric controls there for the windows as well as the door mirrors. You also have your central locking above, lighting controls behind the steering wheel as well as your wipers, and the gorgeous sports seats here in the front, and again the John Cooper Works styling. On the steering wheel you'll find your cruise control and speed limiter controls on the left, and then to the right you have some media system options such as the volume and the next and back buttons. It comes with the partial digital display here. As you can see, it gives you a nice clear view of all your information, and it does also offer the view for the driving mode, so you can flick between the sport, mid and green options depending on the feeling you're going for when driving. On the main media system you've got the communication tab, which allows you to connect via Bluetooth for hands-free calling. You can also implement your contacts in the system, so it makes it really easy to do so. You've got plenty of media available as well, with the DAB offering stations from all across the country, as well as the Bluetooth audio for a wireless connection and USB. In here you'll find all of your My Mini settings, so you can customise everything to your liking, as well as the vehicle status checker. This includes the tyre pressure monitor, so you can make sure everything is up to scratch, as well as the actual service requirements here. And the service history will be inside the system as well. Currently it just shows the pre-delivery inspection. You've also got the My Mini connected here, which as you can see is currently set on the weather, but you have plenty of apps available to explore when you do connect to the system. As I said, it comes with the rear parking sensors, so you do also get the diagram on screen here, so you can see exactly where the obstruction is on what side of the vehicle. It does also come with the Apple CarPlay function, so if you do connect via USB you can make use of the smartphone integration using apps through the media screen. Now you can see that's nicely lit with the LED ring around that, and just below you'll find the climate controls, and below that as well you have your start stop engine button in the centre there. On the right you have the driving mode, so you can select between them, and then below that you've got a 12 volt and your USB connection. Taking a further look back now, you have the two cup holders there, as well as the 6-speed manual gear stick, the red detailing in the centre. Further behind you have the controls for the main media system, which is nice and within reach of the driver and the passenger. And then just behind that you'll find your manual handbrake. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call now on 01244 311 404 or inquire online. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you soon. Bye for now.